to 65% off. Nike, Timberland, The North Face, Columbia and more at the region's biggest sports retailer. Visit sunandsandsports.com for details.
Feeling flat after all the fun of the festivities have fizzled out? Tune in to the Business Breakfast all this week for your chance to win one of 2 fabulous packages for a pair of VIP tickets to the Scores Rasher Saxophone Quartet at Marinat Theatre, together with a night stay at Jumeirah Emirates Towers and the chance to dine in style at the Ivy. The Business Breakfast with Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott, weekdays from 6 to 10 a.m. only on Dubai Eye 103.8.
Are you looking for a training provider who can add real value to your bottom line? Spearhead Training has over 25 dedicated trainers running quality programs in sales and marketing, customer service, management and leadership to help you grow your business. Our 60 public courses have a strict limit of 12 delegates and can be developed as in-company programs to meet your specific needs. To learn more, Google Spearhead Training Dubai or Abu Dhabi. Spearhead Training, improving your business performance.
Most decisions affecting your future need careful thought. Wouldn't it be great if that forward thinking could be done for you? When it comes to long-term leasing, Hertz knows the road ahead and can give you clear direction. Our all-inclusive offers start from only 1,320 dirhams per month for a Yaris, 1,616 dirhams per month for a Corolla, and other exciting options. Call 800 Hertz now. That's 800 43789. The road ahead is clear with Hertz, the UAE's #1.
Central location, spectacular views, plenty of restaurants to choose from, ready to explore Dubai's newest landmark.
Feeling flat after all the fun of the festivities have fizzled out? Tune in to the Business Breakfast all this week for your chance to win one of 2 fabulous packages for a pair of VIP tickets to the Scores Rasher Saxophone Quartet at Marinat Theatre, together with a night stay at Jumeirah Emirates Towers and the chance to dine in style at the Ivy. The Business Breakfast with Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott, weekdays from 6 to 10 a.m. only on Dubai Eye 103.8. This is Filipino Rhythm with Al Ansari Exchange. Send money to Philippines to win 40 tickets to Philippines on Etihad Airways.
Kayo po yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Natanong na po natin ano mga kinakain ni Lachelle, tapos ni Mark. Ngayon, tanongin natin si Alvin. Ano naman kinakain mo, Alvin? 1, 2, 3 dosena ng itlog. Ano ba typical food intake mo every day?
Ako, napaka-normal kong tao.
Okay.
Bilang trainer.
Oh.
When you say normal, ano yun?
Kasi yung kasama ko sa bahay, wala naman sa fitness industry.
Okay. Ano kinakain?
So, kung magluluto sila, yun ang kakainin ko.
Kung ano available.
Kung ano available. But, kung magluluto sila ng something na alam ko, mukhang tataba ako rito ang gagawin ko, medyo mag-a-adjust ako ng consumption ko. I won't indulge. At babagalan ko ang pagsubo ko ng pagkain.
Okay. So, sistema.
Okay. Hindi naman halata na ayokong kumain. Pero
you're not denying yourself, but at the same time, you're just controlling.
And it gives them an idea na, pwede pala akong magpapayat kahit kainin ko to.
So, ano kinakain mo nga?
Normally, chicken, sauteed chicken.
Okay.
Sauteed ground pork. Tapos, ang mahal ko sa buhay kasi ang gustong iluto lagi nun yung lahat may sauce.
So
ako pa naman I refrain from eating yung saucy food kasi mahirap i-burn yun
beef steak
mga ganon. So machado, mga ganyan, mga saucy. So sabi ko sa kanya, sige, give me some time. Kakain ako niyan, but in the back of my mind, sige, kakain ako niyan, but I have to hit the gym and exercise. Pero tulad ng sabi ko, ako normal ako na trainer na gusto ko pag nakita ako ng tao, pwede pala ako maging ganyan, fit. So ang ginagawa ko, kasi ang bahay ko malapit sa metro, at least 5 minutes. So I take that as one of my exercises.
You walk.
Okay. Lalo pagka kumain ako ng medyo mabigat, ang lakad ko mas mabilis. Brisk walking.
Okay.
So I always apply logic to whatever I'm doing, especially pag yung sa fitness. Kasi mas madaling i-share yon na experience sa kliyente o sa ibang tao kasi achievable.
Okay. You say Measurable,
attainable,
achievable.
Smart.
Very smart.
Oh.
Okay. So, hindi nyo naman pinagbabawal kumain ng dinuguan, ng mga
Crispy
igato,
pata,
mga
kare-kare.
Yung mga
Pwede lahat yun sa atin.
Siya nga, chicharon, merienda.
Oo, chicharon.
Okay.
Ano to, yung balat o yung may
Lahat.
laman?
So, alright.
Okay.
Kung ganun, ano yung pwede nyong ipasa sa ating mga tagapakinig ngayon? Lalo na galing sila ng maraming handaan itong New Year, di ba? Pasko, New Year, daming handaan, may 3 Kings pa yan. Any chance to eat. Okay. And not exercise at all. You mentioned about walking to metro. Just by, ilang minuto ba dapat?
Araw-araw.
Maglakad.
Yung standard
30 minutes,
exercise.
45 minutes to burn.
Sige, Mark.
Usually kasi yung paglalakad or jogging itself, it's more on cardio.
Okay.
Okay? So if you really want to parang burn fat itself, kailangan may certain beats per minute sa heart mo na kailangan mong i-attain in order for you na mag-burn ka ng fats or calories itself. Kasi kung walking ka lang or
Brisk walking lang.
brisk walking, that's more on cardio lang siya. So there are may mga percentage kasi, for example, kung kukunin mo yung maximum beats per minute mo, it's like 220 minus your age. Yun yung 100% mo. Ngayon, kailangan mong kunin yung 50% to 75% niya at mag-stay ka lang dun sa beats per minute na yun. Okay, which is hindi mo kayang i-sustain yun by walking itself. So you really need, it's either you run or you jog.
Okay.
Para sa ganun, makapag-burn ka ng fat itself.
Okay.
Exactly.
How about you?
Yung sinabi niya, ang tawag nila dyan, pwede nilang i-google to. Ito yung heart rate training based na cardio exercise.
Heart rate, okay.
Heart rate training range. So basically, yung sinasabi ni Mark na at least you have to get into this certain percentage for you to burn fat. And then you also can go at this certain heart rate wherein you can burn carbs. So pwede mo silang laruin doon.
Okay. Okay. Pinag-uusapan din lang naman natin yung mga exercises na, no, Lachelle? Anong pinagkaiba ng pagpumunta ang isang kabayan natin sa inyong gym, sa gym ni Mark? Anong merong makikita sa inyo?
Well, gusto pareho, halos lahat pareho.
Machines and
sa
all
machines. Nagkakaiba lang talaga ang mga health clubs sa ambience.
Okay.
Sa location.
Uh-huh.
And then sa yung mga trainers na nakalagay doon.
Okay.
Kasi before, ang trainers generic. Which I'm very proud kasi halos lahat yata ng trainer sa Pilipinas may background na PCO. Ako very proud talaga ako doon.
So laging ganun tayo. Yun ang basic foundation ng mga trainers.
Siya nga
Kasi yung nagsisimula ako sa fitness industry way back like 12 years ago. Basta lang nagbubuhat ka sa gym, trainer ka na.
Totoo.
Macho
trainer ka na.
Okay.
But yung risk of having yung mataas na injury rate nandun.
Okay.
So eventually, yung Fitness First came to the Philippines. Medyo smart sila eh. They applied common sense ulit. Balik tayo doon. So nag-hire sila lahat physiotherapists.
Okay.
Kasi they can cut cut costs with yung sending the trainers for
aral
certification.
Okay.
Kasi sa amin nakuha na namin lahat eh.
Educational
exactly.
Degree niyo.
Equipped na kaya kita mo he's one of the best.
And you are one of the best as well. Ngayon, we're talking about one of the best. Anyway, kayo ba halimbawa meron nakikinig ngayon na gusto mag-change career, pwede ba silang, let's say, meron silang tamang frame of mind na, alam mo yun, makakakommit na maging katulad yung trainer, pwede ba silang pumasok ng ganito? Can you encourage them?
Well, basically, if you're gonna ask me if they have to be at the right frame of mind, two ways eh. It can be intrinsic o extrinsic. Pwedeng sa kanila namang gagaling yon na gusto nila, or ikaw yung mag-encourage sa kanila na pumunta sa ganong field or industry kung hilig talaga nila. Kasi I remember I had this chubby little girl who was brought by her mom sa Fitness First. And this girl was so shy. yung nakakapit pa sa
kasi chubby.
Teenager to, siguro mga 14. So eventually, habang tumatagal, naka 3 months, masunurin naman kasi yung bata sa akin. 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, hanggang sa maka 1 year, nakikita mo siya na nag-change and na-appreciate niya yun. And ngayon, ang balita ko sa kanya, isa siya sa mga trainer sa Canada.
Okay.
It's cool.
No, cool, no? Alright, ikaw, Lachelle. Ito nga, nag-put
Desi,
up ng sariling
si Alvin mo na, pinopromote mo yung Fitness First. Anong group mo nga?
Fidelity Fitness.
Saan to?
Ito, matatagpuan niyo po kami sa JBR, sa Jumeirah Beach, sa may Alphatan Tower. And then, meron din kaming isang branch sa Almas Tower, sa JLT.
Pagbaba sa metro.
Pagbaba niyo ng metro, dun lang.
Mataas na ano.
Kaya lagi ako may walking exercise.
Oo nga.
Ano pa kakaiba ninyo sa Fitness First?
Fitness First, like,
Well,
ano yung itsura?
kung siya may walking exercise, ako naman ang ginagamit ko pagpunta ko sa bahay ko to my gym is bicycle. That's 5 minutes bicycle.
Okay.
Sa Discovery ka ba or Garden?
Sa Discovery Gardens. Ngayon, ang pagkakaiba naman ng Fidelity at saka Fitness First, once na nag-join ka ng Fitness First, you've joined one, but you've joined the whole wide world. Yung pagkakaiba. Kumbaga, parang, for example, ikaw, dito ka nag-join sa Dubai, then umuwi ka sa Pilipinas, gusto mong gumamit ng Fitness First sa Philippines. So, magagamit mo yun. Ngayon, kung binato ka ulit ng company mo sa Switzerland, may Fitness First sa Switzerland. Pwede mo na yun magamit yun. So, yun yung kagandahan sa Fitness First.
At saka, I think, isa pang pinakamaganda doon, maraming Filipino doon. Okay? Maraming Filipinong trainers, maraming Filipinong staff, at gusto nila. And I understand sa inyo rin
ba?
ngayon.
Fidelity ba?
Dati
Ilan ba Pilipino yan?
Ilan ang Pilipino? 3 na kami. Hindi. Siguro 5 na kami. No?
Out of how many?
Marami kaming trainers eh.
Out of 30? Ganon?
Out of 20. Let's say 20.
So, 5 kayo. At 25%.
Nung nag-start ako dyan, ako lang. Kasi
out of ilan naman? 5 lang kayo.
Ang trainers noon is like 15, 16, 17.
So minority ka doon. Ngayon, malaki
kasi ang policy doon, they don't want to be like Fitness First.
Na maraming Filipino.
Pati trainers Filipinos.
Totoo. And then, nagbago ito.
Nagbago yung ihip ng hangin na sabi ko,
magaling talaga Pilipino.
Dapat lang nila malaman na ang Filipino kasi masyadong hard worker.
Exactly.
Which is, kung ina-avoid nilang employee nila ng mga Pilipino, mali sila doon. Kasi tayo mga Pilipino, masyado, kahit na wala nang dugo yan, paduduguin mo pa rin yan. Para lang magkaroon ka ng...
So, attention, the employer, are Filipinos.
Saka, yung...
masyadong hard worker mga Filipino.
Follow up ko rin. Hindi lang sa being hardworking. Kumbaga, napakarami nating common sense sa utak.
Exactly.
Saka very skilled tayo eh. And nabanggit ko, natanong kasi sa akin paano ako napunta rito. Sabi ko, actually, hindi talaga ako magtatrabaho rito eh. Bibisitahin ko lang yung mahal ko sa buhay.
Okay.
And bago pa pumunta rito, may nakatunog na nalilipat ako. Magbabakasyon ako rito.
Na-offer na?
Inopera na ako at in-interview na po ako. And natawa nga ako, sabi ko sa kanya noon, right away, nung pagka-interview sa akin, wow, you've answered all my interview questions. Sabi ko, why? Hindi ba dapat lahat yan alam na nang ini-interview mo? Hindi, kasi 256 na trainers ang in-interview ko rito. Wala pang...
Nakasagot lahat.
Oo,
lahat. Galing, no?
Okay.
So, I feel like
Filipino
privileged.
Excellence in Middle East. Okay. Hindi. Yes.
Before, balikan na si Lachelle, break muna tayo. 2 of our last breaks. So, yung mga nag-text pala, ang gagawin po na lang namin, kasi marami nag-text dito, pipili po yung mga guests natin, yung mga magagandang messages ninyo, tapos may nandito naman yung mga numbers ninyo, we will call you. Tatawagan namin kayo. So may mga ibibigay yata yung Fidelity Fitness, may ibibigay yung Fitness First pa magbibigay?
Yes.
Meron ba? Tapos si Adios Fati magbibigay ng kanyang website.
Consultation as well. No, consultation as well.
Consultation. So,
yes.
Tuloy pa rin mag-test kayo. Basta padala nyo ano New Year's resolution ninyo. So, mag-break tayo ngayon, tapos babalik kami.
Feeling flat after all the fun of the festivities have fizzled out? Tune in to the Business Breakfast all this week for your chance to win one of 2 fabulous packages for a pair of VIP tickets to the Scores Rasher Saxophone Quartet at Marinat Theater, together with a night stay at Jumeirah Emirates Towers and the chance to dine in style at the Ivy. The Business Breakfast with Malcolm Taylor